Good morning, student. How are you? I am Roshan. Today I will teach you computer of class 7, and today's chapter is more on Windows 7. In this chapter we will learn change the font, how to change the font size, change the sleep mode setting, change the display setting, and add login password and view the system configuration. Now we will see one by one. First is changing font. So what is font? A font is a style of text. Okay. Font refers to the style of type text. In this Windows 7, you can change the font of menus, toolbars, other item that appear on the window. So now, how to change font in Windows 7? First of all, right click on desktop. Right click on desktop, the shortcut menu appear on the screen. This type of menu appear on the screen. After that, click the personalized option. After that, click the personalized option. After that, the personalized window appear on the screen. After that, click on Windows Color tab. Click on Window Color tab. After that, the window color and appearance dialog box. Then click on message box, image in the dialog box, enable the font option. Okay. After that, the font and size field become active. The font and size fields become active. Then click font drop down list. Then click font drop down list. A drop down list appear window. After that, select font. If you want to select required font, you can select font size and click on OK button. After that, your changing font is changed. Okay. So now we learn about sleep mode setting. So first of all, what is sleep mode setting? The sleep mode is the Windows 7 used to save power. So what is use of sleep mode? It is used for save the power of system. If computer is not used for long time, it goes into sleep mode automatically. Okay. All the running process of the system are stopped. All the running process are stopped. So now how to change sleep mode setting? Okay. Let's see. First of all, click on start button. Click on start button. After that, the start menu appear on the screen. Okay. After that, click on control panel. Okay. Click on control panel. After that, the control panel window appear on the screen. After that, click on hardware and sound category. Click on hardware and sound category. The hardware and sound window appear on the screen. After that, click on power option. This is the icon of power button. Okay. Click on power button. After that, you can after that you preferred plan, select the power option. After that, the sleep mode becomes active. Now, next, how to change display setting. How to change display setting? First of all, what is the display setting? Display setting, you can adjust the appearance of object on the screen by changing the display setting of Windows 7. You can adjust the size of object on the screen and change the screen resolution. So let's see how to change First of all, right click on desktop. The shortcut menu appear on the screen. After that, click on personalize option. After that, the personalize option window the personalize window appear on the screen. After that, from the right hand, click on display option. Click on display option. After that, the display window appear on the screen. Okay. After that, from the right pane, select the required option. Select the required option. After that, side of object adjust on the screen. Okay. Now we will learn about screen resolution. Screen resolution. The screen resolution setting helps you adjust the amount of information on the screen. So what is the screen resolution? The screen resolution setting helps you to adjust the amount of information on the screen. If screen resolution is high, the size of object decrease. If screen resolution is low, the size of object is increased. Okay. So now we learn how to change screen resolution. Let's say first of all, click on right click on desktop. After that, shortcut menu appear on the screen. After that, click on screen resolution. Click on screen resolution. After that, the screen resolution window appear. Okay. Now, after that, the click resolution drop down list. After that, click on resolution drop down list. A drop down list appear this type. Okay. You can select the required resolution. After that, click apply button and click OK button. After your screen resolution change. Okay. Now we learn about login password. How to add and how to login password. First of all, what is login? A login password helps to improve the security of your system. Whenever you start the computer, you need to enter the password. Okay. So now how to set login password? Let's see one by one. First of all, click on taskbar. Click on start button. After that, click on start menu appear. After that, click on control panel option. After that, control panel option. After that, the control panel window appear on the screen. Okay. Then click on user account family category. Click on user account and safety categories. After that, user account family safety window appear on the screen. Okay. Then click on right pane. Click on user account. Click on user account. After that, user account window appear on the screen. After that, under the make change your account section, click on create user account password. Okay. Then create password window appear and you put the password. Then you need in the new password box, enter the password you want to set. In the password hints box, you enter the password hints. Okay. After, click the create password button. The login password generated. Okay. So now we learn about viewing system configuration. So what is the system configuration? The system configuration allows you to view the basic properties of computer like RAM, hard disk, Windows version, and type of operating system. So how to see viewing system configuration? First of all, click on the computer icon. Click on computer icon. The shortcut menu appear on the screen. After that, click on properties option. Okay. After that, click on properties option. The system window appear on the screen. The system window appear on the screen. So you can see RAM size and operating system here. Okay student. So today we learn about Windows 7. Okay. So today is enough. Okay. Thank you.